Hello my lovelies, happy Wednesday. Yes, you've heard right, it's Wednesday. So just an extra little video before we start the December dailies. So I'm here with my finished design team project for November for Tracie Fox Creative, and we did a few videos making the individual elements that are inside this little gift stack, and also of doing the sewing. Now just explain all I have done since we last looked at the sewing to make a closure. So to make the closure, so that is going to come up like that. I've put two mother of pearl buttons on in different positions because these might get, whoever you give them to might write in it and it becomes a bit fatter. So at the moment I can fasten this on the furthest away button, but if you want a bit more space you can do it on there. So it's good to have choices, so put two different buttons on. Now how I made my loop is, if you recall, and I shall link it in the cards up here if you didn't see the video of making this, I couched on some fabric. I'd already done some fabric twisted lengths, and I curled this round and couched it on. So all I've done to make the loop is I've just looped it around itself and couched it securely and left the loop at the end, and that's all you need to do. In fact, I've forgotten about how nice that is. I reckon I'm going to do a few more of these as little closures for journals, because it's just something special that you've made yourself, and I'm sure you'll agree. I've chosen some colours in here so it sort of all goes nicely together, and yeah, I'm really pleased with how it's turned out. So if you recall, in the stack we have these little flippy pads. I've got an assortment of butterflies from Tracie's butterfly, different butterfly kits, and some lovely avocado dyed paper of David's. A stack of 3 large cards, journal cards, backed it with some craft card, and then again just did a bit of collage and decorating on those, and then put some sari silk on there. Then we made the little journal with papers from Tracie's festive compendium, and I made a little slit for it to go to keep it all together. And if you recall, I've got all lovely papers in. I put 2 fabric pockets in, and then there's some paper that I think this was part of some freebies that Tracie did last year. I've mixed and matched that many things now, I can't remember. I think that was definitely part of one last year she did. And then I did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch with some perlé, and yeah, there's some lovely papers in there to enjoy. So they've got themselves a little journal as well there, with this gorgeous star fabric on that I had in my stash for quite a while. And then we did, well, I think we did these first. So the from the other compendium, dark compendium, I believe, made these envelopes to keep things in. One of Tracie's I was going to say ornithology, but that's birds, entomology And then these are from the notelets kit. So I've put a couple of notelets in there. And they're from Tracie's notelet kit. Turn them around and put them in there like that, so they can keep whatever they like in here, but they've got some notelets in. And then I put another one in. This has not got anything in it, so you know, you can put whatever you like inside there. We've got one in here, I think, that I've made one of the tags from the festive compendium. I think we'll have that in there. So there you've got some lovely little bits and pieces for people to play with, write in, do whatever they like. And I think it makes just a lovely gift. You know, sometimes you give little gifts to people that you probably wouldn't spend loads and loads of money on, but you'd like to send them a nice handmade present. And they've got 3 nice tags to use there. And then the little booklet with stashed papers in. And then the wraparound. Beautiful only 2 I'd got in that size, mother of pearl. And what a fabulous, again, this is from Dark Compendium. It's got a little pocket in there. And I'll have a look, see what I've got in my stash here. I've got all my stuff ready for December dailies. It's got a little boy tag in there from Dark Compendium. And I think we'll put a little Christmas tag in as well. So there we have it. There is my design team project, my Christmas gift stash. Oh, gift stack. And yes, that's a lovely gift idea. So quickly before I go, I want to just mention that this is going to be my December daily giveaway. I'm not announcing it as such, you know, announcing it here at the end. And this, everybody that comes to my December daily for the 12 days, so I'm doing 12 days of Stitchmas, plus also I'm doing collaborations with the rest of the design team for Tracie Fox, and I'm doing day 14, but I'll tell you more about that tomorrow. And this is going to be the giveaway. So to compete for the giveaway, you need to be over 18 and you need to write a little comment at the bottom of every video I do for the 12 days. So that's comment on every video. That helps me out and that puts you into the draw. You have to comment every day, and everyone that does so will be put into the draw for this lovely gift stack. Okay then, so thank you so much for joining me. Get everything ready now. It's going to be December the 1st tomorrow and the start of our December 12 days of Stitchmas. I'm excited. See you then.